This is Rahat ASMR. I hope you guys are doing well. So, I have been away for a while, and I guess to clear things off, I have been sick for a while. Like, I had a sore throat. I still have it, but at this moment, it is tolerable. So, that's why I'm making this video. And like 7 or 8 days ago, I actually made a video, and as I was starting to edit that video to see if it's okay, I realized that the microphone did not catch this audio. So I had to delete that video, and I also realized that the microphone ran out of battery, so I had to go find one of those little ball type batteries, not ball type, but small batteries, round small batteries for these microphones. For this thing here, you gotta put that battery inside. So I had to search and find a shop that sold those type of batteries. I found it from a watch shop, and then I thought about recording a video, and I realized that like right beside this room there's a different apartment building, and since it is summer, like almost summer, so the neighbor always like has his fan turned on at night, and it makes like a loud humming sound. So whenever I try to record videos, it's just so disruptive. So that's why I couldn't record that video like few nights ago. And this is why I'm recording this video at 9 p.m. right now. I'm pretty sure you're hearing background noises. Is because someone is revving their engine, and it's basically there's a car fixing shop, like vehicle fixing garage or whatever you like, a workshop, let's say vehicle workshop. So yeah, they're probably testing if the car is working or not. So that's why you can hear the revving sound in the background. So now that I got the updates out of the way, I wanted to talk about something that I made the video about like 7 days ago. Before that, disclaimer: since I'm recording this video in a confined room without any fan, and the temperature is pretty hot, so you will like see me sweat. I hope it is not off-putting, and I don't know, some people find sweating disgusting. I hope you guys are not one of those people, and if you do find it disgusting, I'm extremely sorry for that. I do not have an AC in this room, and this is the only room that has like the best soundproof environment. Like the other rooms are even more loud, so you gotta do what you gotta do. So I wanted to talk about productivity. Like, whenever I look at people, like I'm extremely sorry for these coughs, and this is gonna be a theme of this video. I'm sorry, but I'm barely like getting by. I'm barely able to talk. I know, like when you're whispering, the soreness doesn't come out, but when I'm talking normally, like I am so sore. My throat is so sore. It's pretty difficult to talk. I'm taking medication. I hope it'll be alright soon. Meanwhile, yeah, productivity. So people like David Goggins, like whenever I see his videos, like I wish I could be as productive as him. Like in my case, whenever I am done with my university classes and my studies, I just want to relax and like have a good time, like chill. And my form of having a good time is watching YouTube videos while while eating food and maybe playing video games at night with my friends. So that is my form of entertainment or relaxing or chilling after a long day of being stressed, let's just put it this way. But I realized that I should be focusing on this channel more often. Like, I think I am not putting enough emphasis on this channel, and it's just comes down to having a productive mindset, having a mindset of perseverance, working hard, being consistent. I think I have none of those abilities, even though I'm trying to build those qualities within me. I think there's a huge way to go, long way to go before I can be consistent with anything in my life. And that comes with, I guess, a moderately easy childhood. I'm not saying I had the best childhood in my life, but I'm also not saying that I had the worst, like financially maybe. My childhood wasn't the best, but in terms of getting things handed to me, it was a pretty easygoing childhood because I always got things done by other people. Like, there were, in my life, there has been different phases where I always had a friend or a family member who always did things for me without me even having to ask them. I don't know if it's a blessing or not, but at every phase from kindergarten to till college, even at university, I have always found a friend that has been I would say, I know it sounds weird, but a friend that is responsible and takes care of you. And it's not that I'm exploiting them, it's just they do it from the bottom of their heart. I never ask for anything from anyone. In fact, people usually insist on doing things for me, out of the purity, how do you say that? Purity of their heart. And I am grateful for that. But at the same time, I think that these good people have I wouldn't say stopped, but hindered my progress of self-reliance, because in your life, when you're always getting things handed to you, you start taking things for granted. It is a given. No matter how good you are, no matter how kind-hearted you are, you cannot be productive if you haven't gone through some struggles in your life. There has to be a certain amount of struggle that makes you be that forces you to think yep, I gotta do something. I'm sorry, this is a terrible video. If you're watching this video for trying to sleep, I'm sorry, but I guess it is what it is. I have always had a problem with sweating, and as you guys can see, I am dripping bullets right now. Anyways, since it is summer, and not summer yet, in terms of the seasons in Bangladesh, it is actually spring, but it's already too hot for me to handle. And when summer comes, things are gonna be even worse. So I hope you guys will be okay with watching a video of me always sweating like this. Look at my forehead. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of sweat. I got a reflective skin though. Anyways, I think this video is all over the place like all the other videos in this channel. I guess it is is what it is. At this point, I don't even care about making good quality videos. I'll be honest, I'm just here to talk. Maybe someone will listen to me. Don't worry guys, I don't have COVID or anything. I'm pretty sure I'm safe, but yeah. Another cough is coming. Yeah, okay. I guess I brute forced that cough and forced it downwards. I'm not even sure what I'm talking about. I'm not in the right state of mind as well. Another one's coming. Yeah, this is your top tier ASMR video. Whoa. You know what? You know how people make blooper videos? This video is just like a multitude of bloopers in just one take. And let's be honest, this is one of the best takes that I get because there's always background noises, something happening with me. I cannot consistently talk for more than 5 minutes. There is always some kind of interruption. I know it's not even a proper ASMR video, but yeah, I guess that's what happens when you're too lazy and you don't want to take 500 takes of one single video. So yeah, being productive is hard, especially when you had an easy life. I wouldn't say easy, super easy, but let's just say moderately easy life with a balanced amount of struggle and a balanced amount of easiness, if that makes any sense. I feel like people that have the most growth in their life, they are mostly going through some brutal, ruthless struggles in their life, and at some point they decide that yeah, I gotta deal with it myself because no one else is gonna help me. It's like when your back is against the wall and you just realize that there's no turning back, so you face your fears head on. I think I am recently starting to hit that point in my life. That is also a reason why I started this channel. I'm trying to fight back with my inner demons, if that makes any sense. And as much as I hate putting my face on the internet, I think I gotta do this because in one sense it is helping me grow my channel, even though the growth is as minimal as it can be, but it's but still it's a growth. And secondly, talking to yourself, looking at a camera, it's actually quite therapeutic. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm making this video. The amount of interruptions and obstacles that I'm facing is insane. And in a sense, it's good because you know you're going to the right direction when you realize that things are getting tougher. I don't know, it's it doesn't always work, but as a rule of thumb, as long as you're thinking with your common sense, I think it's pretty easy to identify when the struggles are genuine and when the struggles are not genuine. In that case, you should avoid those type of struggles and walk back or find a different way or try to bypass that struggle. You have to use your common sense. It's not always going to be right, but as a rule of thumb, it's good to know that if you're struggling, you're going to the right path. I know I'm probably giving terrible advice. I am not a philosopher. I don't have any degree in philosophy, but I know that I'm not a wise guy. That's what I know. But I try to act like I'm wise place, even though I have probably like never read anything outside my curriculum activities. So yeah, my knowledge is pretty limited as well. But still, I want to act like I know a lot, and I want to spread my wisdom, if that even makes any sense. So this is like big rambling video because there's no topic. It's all over the place. It's trash. It's garbage. It is chaotic. And as I say chaotic, someone honks their horn as loud as possible. It's just amazing living this life as an ASMR artist. Am I even an artist? I don't think so. I'm not an artist. Just a ASMR speaker, I guess. ASMR rambler. ASMR monologue guy, if that makes any sense. I know as each video comes out, you guys keep on seeing the more toxic side of me, but it's okay. We're just humans after all. Don't blame it on me. Anyways, take care, stay safe, and I'm sorry if you like face any difficulty because of the coughing noises. I'm not gonna take them out. I'm sorry. Yeah, I hope you guys stay safe. Goodbye.